Yeet!
He quit. What did he do?
He jumped off the cliff.
I died!
Oh!
What is
Shit!
she?
Damn, she
She
got 3
thick.
arms.
Let me see.
Oh yeah,
Here.
thanks, Greg. I'm gonna eat this fish. Nom nom nom.
Ew.
Nom 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 nom.
Hey guys, it's us. Your buddies from 5 to 9. We're playing a new game now
Yeah.
called Sons of the Forest. 2 black
Oh.
guys and an Asian man in the forest.
Ping pong.
What happens next?
Whoa.
Bitch!
I died.
Oh my god.
Pick me up.
Album.
Get up,
Hell yeah.
you bitch.
Thank you.
Sorry.
All right, let's go see what this
That was a
guy's
good
doing.
intro.
Come here, come here, come here.
Yeah, that guy was
What's
seasoned up.
What's this guy
Whoa.
doing?
He's got
Hey,
Hey,
rabies.
little buddy,
He's got rabies.
get up.
He's got rabies. No, don't touch him.
Stop, stop, stop. He's our friend. Looks high as all get out.
You guys mess with him. I'm gonna go check out what's over here.
Your hands are bloody as fuck.
Someone just killed me. I'm doing like a psych test on him. Oh yeah, follow the pin, bud.
Don't open everything. I want some stuff.
Yeah,
Oh,
you
well,
my
here,
friend
right
now?
here. There's this
Follow
thing.
me.
I need to
There's an arrow.
figure out how to. Oh my
Okay.
god, I have C4.
I got some C4
Hell
too.
yeah.
Hey,
How do I heal myself?
so which one is like the really black one, and which one's the light black one?
I
Oh,
don't know.
Ramon. Okay, you're the really black one.
Aw, damn!
Wait, what?
This game's gonna be super hard on me now.
I have an axe. Hey guy, check this out. Ugh,
Oh, yo, I just took some pills.
you. I don't think he dies. Oh, he's down.
Oh, there's stuff over here.
Pussy.
Stop killing our friend.
He's not my friend.
Oh, what
Oh,
the
this-
fuck?
This dude, hey, check out this guy. He's like stuck underneath the helicopter. His butt's out too. Nick, get away from him. Stop.
Okay, sorry. Let's go. Let's go.
I wanna
be
see
up
some
on this
butt.
mountain.
Oh, over here, check this out.
Come on,
He
come
got
on, come on.
squished.
Oh no.
Yeah, this dude's all bloodied up.
I'm
'cause
no
Marshall
doctor.
took an axe to him.
I'm no doctor, but I don't think it's coming back.
How'd you get your axe out?
I don't know. Magic. Ooh.
Oh, I opened it. Oh.
Hey, check this out.
open.
You guys ready? Yeet!
He quit. What'd you do?
He jumped off the cliff.
I died. I'm respawning.
No, I'm coming. I'm coming.
No,
Oh,
you won't be able to get
bitch.
me. I'm on the side of a
would've.
cliff. I think
Alright.
it's respawn right up there.
Wait.
Oh.
We need to go this. Don't.
Hey,
Where'd you guys go? Don't go that
Hey,
way.
I spawned at a camp. Hey, just kill yourself. Cheat code.
Did you have your stuff with you, or did you lose it?
Oh, what the? Uh-oh, what the fuck? Maybe don't do that. I'm tied up at a cannibal's.
Great. Now we have to find Marshall.
No, we don't.
I
We
got
don't
a
have
knife.
to.
I'm about to stab this bitch. You want some fuck, motherfucker?
I'm taking all the pills.
I'm drinking energy drink.
All the pills that I find, I'm taking them.
Damn.
Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Yeah,
Alright.
yeah, that's right.
Ramon,
yeah,
let's go.
he did.
Damn, Marshall, you're way the fuck
Uh-oh.
up there.
I got
Alright,
another one.
Ramon, we gotta make our way up there.
Come here, bitch. Yeah, no, don't run away. You come here. Give me that ass.
Where are we going?
You see
left
that
me.
red dot on our screen?
Yeah.
That's where we need to go.
Uh-oh.
Shit. I'm gonna take the safe route. Fuck this.
That's what I'm doing.
I killed. Uh-oh.
Great, Marshall. You're having all the fun, and Ramona are trying to get down a damn mountain.
They're looking at me.
Yeah, they're like,
Oh, no, she's crying. I killed her daughter.
oh my god.
Oh my god. You want to join her, bitch? Come here.
That's not nice.
Oh my god, she's going crazy.
Trying to get some rabbit.
Yeah, I killed her too. You want some? Ah! Oh god, you want some?
Damn, you're so fucking far.
I died.
Marshall, you fucking suck.
You
Dude,
suck.
he
Oh,
hit
I
me
died.
one time. He was like, hey, you're
Hey.
dead now.
Yep.
So I killed it was like a kid, I guess.
That's not.
And then the mom was like, oh, my daughter, ah. Oh, I respawned back at the thing.
Hey, I'm with you. How do you
Are
get
you?
out?
Oh, you gotta look down. And then cut yourself out. Oh, we're getting out of this bitch.
Ah!
Ramon, kill
Wait for
yourself.
me. No.
That's rude. Why would you tell him to do that? Alright, she's running away. This is the
Oh
dude that hurt you.
shit. Yeah, one shot, I'm dead.
I got a rock.
Oh, I got him.
Help me.
Yeah,
help
that's
me.
right, bitch.
Help me.
Yeah, you don't want any of this.
You guys are so far.
Can I pick this dude up?
Hey, I got my book bag back.
Why are you guys so far?
Just kill yourself.
No!
Well, stay away then.
I can't. I can't. I don't know
Oh
how.
my god, look what I got, Marshall.
What? What?
You got a gun?
Even better.
Do you get one too?
Crossbow?
Woo!
Dang, cheat code.
Thing is
I
hard to
want- I
control.
want to get off of this shit. How do you get off?
Oh, what? That's cool.
I can't. I'm stuck.
Oh
Oh,
my
fuck you.
God.
Give it to me.
Here, I don't want it anymore. You can have. Oh, you bitch! Pick me up.
How do you get
Oh.
off this thing?
I don't. I would just let Ramon kill you. Then you'll get off of it. It's easy.
Come
No,
here.
I don't want to.
Not too bad.
No, you're not gonna kill me.
What is this? I'm moving this stuff out of the
Soda.
way. Oh, this is like a radio.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
What? What?
All right, look. Can we not kill each other for 2 seconds, please? Jesus.
Alright, pick me up, pick me up.
Oh, this pack.
Oh, shit.
Oh, what the f?
Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
I was big dead.
Whoa, I have a GPS.
Alright, can we do something now?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hey, there's a
All right.
cave over here. Looks
I
like.
don't think we're suited for a cave yet.
Yeah, we need to just survive, I think.
Yeah.
Turn off the fucking radio.
Please show off the radio.
Nope, nope, nope.
What the fuck?
There we go. Just
Oh,
don't touch it.
I heard people.
Ew.
I hear
What?
people.
There's intestines
Oh.
over here.
There's a fucking dude over there.
Oh, don't get near him. He'll hurt you.
Nick's got him.
I'm cutting this dude up. Oh my
Ramon,
god.
look
cut
what I
us-
got. Ramon.
What? Oh! Well, I thought that was a.
Oh. Hello. Oh, look at me. Ah, I'm dead.
I'll put that in my
Yes.
pocket for later.
I made fire.
Fire.
Caveman don't got shit on me. Oh god, this body's burning. All right. Well, let's Oh. Yeah.
Is there
Do it.
more?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Num nums.
I'm gonna take this for later though.
Oh my god. Scaring me.
Uh,
All right,
Where did
let's
this
see.
tent go?
I don't like
Make a
this.
tent.
I don't like this.
Yeah,
What,
it's
what,
very,
Help!
very hard to control.
Ah!
Oh, you should have got on that.
Oh, he went in the water with it. I'm gonna chop down some trees.
All right, I can get this guy to cut down some for us. Hey.
It's all right. I got it. I
Yeah,
guess
I
I have
got-
to like.
I got ammo.
We can get guns in this game.
Hey. What the fuck are you doing? Listen to me.
You're like talking through game chat.
Am I?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Oh. Whoa, timber! Damn, dude. I'm fucking strong. I'm carrying 2 big ass logs on my shoulders.
Yeah, I'm popping all the pills I find.
Oh my god. Ramon's gonna be useless.
And tell him to get some wood for us.
All right, hey, where should I? Do we want to make camp here or no?
Yeah, let's make
No,
camp here.
no, we can't make camp here.
Why?
Because the cannibals are here.
That's fine.
No, this is not fine. They're gonna come back.
No, they won't.
Yes,
That's
they
true.
will.
They probably
We're gonna
will.
fortify this area. It's got water.
Oh my God, no.
Timber!
We can't live here
Why?
because.
Fine.
All right, well let's.
Look at this guy. He's already getting us
Salvage.
wood. Look at salvage. You mean scavenge?
Wow! I was trying to kill him early. I feel like an asshole. All right.
All right, I'm gonna tell him just to follow me because he's getting us a bunch of wood.
Can I
Hey,
go up this?
hey, come here, come here.
Can. Oh.
Hey, you should probably get this rope.
All right, let's pick up some shit. Now let's GT the fuck out of here. Let's go over here. Oh, that's a leg. That's upsetting. Oh, that's a chest piece. That's upsetting too. I'm picking up sticks.
That's cool.
All right, I'm going this way.
Hold on.
Nope, I don't want to.
I'm eating meds right now.
You're
No,
eating
those
that.
are mine.
nom, nom.
Those are mine. Those are mine.
Nom 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 nom. Energy bar. Nom 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 nom.
What's in the backpack?
I'm looking at mine right now. Oh, I'm drinking vodka. Oh, I don't have rags. Oh yes, I do.
Oh, a deer.
I'm leaving you guys. Bye.
Where'd you go?
Up the hill.
No, don't go up the hill. Go down the
Why?
hill.
Why?
Let's
You
follow
want
the.
the high ground.
No, let's
Hey.
follow the river down.
Fuck.
All right.
God, I feel retarded.
What'd you do?
I made a Molotov, but I threw it before lighting it.
Wow, what an idiot.
All right, let's go.
All right.
Hey, what are we gonna name this guy? Where the fuck did this guy go?
I don't know. See ya. Oh,
I'm
God,
not
this thing
getting
is
back
so-
on that curse thing.
This thing is so fast. I'm running into shit.
Here's that dude.
What's his name? What do you want to name him?
Charlie
No,
horse.
let's name him Dylan.
Not Dylan. That's weird.
Oh, what the fuck? What are the? Oh, what are those people? There's people over there.
Yeah, the
Kill 'em.
cannibals.
Hey, bud.
I can't kill him.
I'm come
Oh
to
God, he's.
help your people.
Oh God. Give me my knife.
Come here, come here.
You want some fuck
Where'd he go? Shit.
crawling around like a monkey?
I don't want to disturb the.
Wildlife here.
Yeah.
All right, let's
Ah!
go. Let's go. Let's
Ah.
go.
Come this way. Come this way. Did they attack
Uh-oh,
you?
I heard somebody yelling behind me. I'm
Yeah,
scared.
they do attack.
Oh, I know. They f***ed me up earlier. Oh, they're coming after us. Oh, there's like 3 of them. There's 4 of them.
Run, Marshall!
I'm scared.
Get on your little scooter.
I dropped it.
Look. See. Look. There's a big old lake right here.
Ah, lake time.
Are they behind us still?
I don't know. If you don't look, they're not there. You know what I'm saying?
That's true. That is very true.
Oh, let's go over here.
Dang, we're gonna have that lakefront property?
Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, brother. Oh yeah,
That tree.
brother. Oh, I picked up a rock.
Your hands
Oh,
are
this is-
soft. Your hands are soft, brother.
Yeah.
I work 86 goddamn hours a week. Goddamn, get my shit done, brother.
Are you Hulk Hogan right now?
How do you
No?
jump? Oh,
Okay, cool.
sorry,
Fuck
sorry.
yourself.
It was-
Oh, that's cool. What are these?
I guess we
Mystery
can start here.
berries.
Alright, let's start here. You're gonna eat some
Hey, let's
mystery
start here.
berries?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, I'm gonna tell this guy to get us some wood.
Let's see what they do.
Shit. He's gone.
I'm eating them. Hopefully I don't get diarrhea. He's back there somewhere.
He's my friend.
What are we gonna name him?
I don't know. Something.
Huh. What could we name him?
Well, let's name him Greg.
Why?
Yeah, let's name him Greg.
Old
Just-
Greg?
Is it like Greg?
Woo!
What are you doing, man?
I got $60.
Where are you gonna spend it out here?
I don't know. I got a tarp.
Alright, who wants to be the builder and who, like, so we need 2 people to collect wood and I guess 1 person start building.
I'll
I've already,
build.
I've already started collecting wood.
Yeah, I got it too. Oh, my game lagged for a second.
I got a
Dang.
tarp.
We need to clear out a space.
Does this tree just not want to fucking fall?
Hey, you put a tarp down.
I don't know what to do with the tarp. Get off of it.
Pick it up. Pick it up.
It won't come up.
Pick it up.
I can't.
Oh, buddy. Hey, bud. How you doing? No, no, don't you say no. Get
Come on.
logs and drop here. Hey? Thanks. Thank you.
I'm making us a little fort right now. Look at that.
I'm gonna chop down this
Uh-oh.
tree with a rock.
Oh, that's gone.
Oh, where's the tarp? Did somebody pick it up?
I picked it up somehow. Alright, let me get a knife out so I can clear this brush. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm cutting down all the trees right now.
Oh, cut all them trees down. My guy's like, cutting stuff down. This is very effective. Alright,
Alright.
this should be good.
Marshall. Oh, what the fuck?
Whoa! Hey, be careful!
Stop. Stop it.
You
Get
almost
some
hit.
help.
You almost hit me. Alright, let's.
Alright, you see all your logs, Marshall?
That's the wrong button. That's the wrong button too.
Oh, you're coming through game chat. Stop.
Still?
Yeah.
How about now?
No.
Alright. Why would they make... Okay, that's stupid. Ow.
What?
I get hit by a log. Quit cutting shit down. I have enough right now.
Well, no, you're gonna get all the logs, bud.
Oh my god.
Me and Greg are getting loaded up.
Don't you fucking bud me.
Oh no! The logs are rolling away.
Yeah, I know. They're rolling into me and they're hurting me.
I'm a lumberjack.
Off.
That didn't make sense.
It don't make sense.
You suck.
You suck.
Tim.
Tim? Who's Tim? Why can't I not put this log here?
What are you trying to build?
A house?
Do you have the blue? Do we have blueprints or something?
I don't know.
Dude, I hear a duck.
Quack, 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 quack.
I have tarps, a rope,
Ah,
slug, ammo,
I got it.
cash money. See, I was trying to make a little house, but some of these logs won't let me pick them up.
You gotta push X. Hey! I put that log there!
No, are you? Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Ah!
What
no,
are you doing?
That's too small. Who did that?
Ramon?
Pick it up.
Dumb dick.
Yeah, you dumb dick.
Oh, shit.
Why can't I pick this one up? Oh, I did. All right, so let's actually here. Let's do this. Let's make this
Look,
We'll
look.
do-
I got it. I got it. I'm
Go
building. I'm
wider.
building.
make it wider. Actually, here I'll do this. Never mind. I'll do this, and then oh, you got it. Okay. Nick,
Okay.
are you just chopping shit down just to chop shit down?
Yeah.
Hey, we don't need to go that big.
Wow.
Hey, we need a little bit. We want a little bit. Uh-oh. There we go.
Should we go bigger?
No, I'd say
How many logs wide?
let's do two
Marshall,
wide.
this is for science, okay? I'm sorry.
No. Ow! So I'm about to die. Asshole.
Yeah, I just beat you with a stick.
Oh, I can't put one there. We might have fucked up making it on an incline. Nick, did you just eat the head?
Can you?
I don't know, like you did.
No.
Maybe we need to go this way, Ramon.
What?
So, here, let's do this. We'll take this middle part out, and then make it
Where the fuck is Greg at?
here. So,
Oh, we can't go up. We need a
Uh,
fucking.
here. And then here. And here. Hopefully the power doesn't go out. It's storming really bad.
Hey, look what I built.
What? Wow, that's really shitty. Good job. Hey, you could come over here and help me and Ramon build. You lazy f***.
Like that.
Are we going out like this?
We're going, so,
Here?
yeah. And this will be like the little doorway. Why is it not letting us put something down?
It won't let me put anything down. This ain't working.
Hold on. We gonna make it work. There. Yeah, pull that back up. Look at that shit. God.
Where the fuck is my head at?
Should be on your shoulders. Kind of weird if it's not. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Nick, it looks like you're burning the tent.
No.
Are you sure? The tent is definitely getting burnt.
No, it's not.
God damn, Ramon.
What?
We're fucking killing it. Uh-oh, what the fuck is that
I
thing?
lost my head.
What the hell is that?
What is what? Oh! She thick!
Damn.
She
Damn, she got
thick.
3 arms.
Let me see.
Hello?
Oh shit, she bending over.
Damn, girl. Hey,
What
you
is
got like
going
4 legs. Does that mean you got 2 pussies?
Oh!
Great,
okay,
She
Mark.
bye.
fast.
Whoops.
Great, you
I
scared
get.
her.
I guess she wasn't okay with the whole "do you have 2 pussies" thing.
Can someone help me find my head that I lost?
Nope. We were building a house because we need one. The cannibals will come out and they will kill us. So, chop down more trees, Nick.
Follow me. I think I got an idea for Greg.
What?
You
Hold
can
on.
make him chop shit down.
Come on, Greg.
That's what he should be doing. Hold on.
Greg.
Do you know how to talk to him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
you
with
you gotta
words.
be nice to him.
Nah.
Be
fuck
nice
that.
to him. He's my friend.
I have a lighter. Oh, look, there's that bitch up there.
Hey, just leave her be. Leave her be.
She's running.
Leave her be.
Hey, what that thing do?
I'm so upset that my fucking head's gone.
I'm having him clear 20 meters.
It's getting dark.
The next day.
Oh, my God, it's
shit.
bright now.
We survived.
Day 1. I only cried a little bit. We saw a bitch with 4 legs, 4 arms, and probably 2 vaginas. It was hot.
Where's
I got
Greg?
an erection.
I don't know. Greg kind of does his own
Greg.
thing.
As Greg does. Oh no, it's gonna fall on our house! Oh God, room, watch out!
Oh, no. Oh,
it
the
does it.
wall.
Great.
It
Great.
does fuck it up.
Great, Marshall.
Thanks a lot, Nick.
You started hitting it the wrong way.
No, I didn't. God, Nick.
I've been trying to do that. I'm not gonna lie. I've been trying to do that since I've been chopping wood down.
Wow, what a piece of shit.
But you're the one who did it.
I didn't mean to.
Well,
Nick. Nick! You bitch! That one was on purpose, you slut.
that one was on purpose. I'm sorry.
God damn it. We lost so much wood. Can I jump up here?
We didn't lose wood.
Yeah, well, I got ups, boy. Oh, I fell.
How do I put wood up
I'm-
there?
I'm so mad at you, Nick.
Don't be mad.
Can't put wood up here. We're just building a wall, goddammit.
Hell yeah, brother.
That's not nice.
All right, no, I wanted to make it high enough and then put a roof on it. So I need to figure out how to do that part now. So I'm just gonna put this down.
I'm thirsty and I'm hungry.
Oh, I am
What?
too. Shit.
Oh God.
Maybe I'll go try
Oh, is this
hunting.
wine? Oh, vodka bottle. Nom nom. I'm gonna drink an energy drink. That'll help me with my thirst, maybe. Yeah,
Can you drink this water?
You probably can. It's probably not gonna be good for you. Oh, I got blueberries.
Nom 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 nom.
I scavenged them.
No, you
I
didn't.
popped one in my mouth. I was like, bloop. Uh-oh, what the fuck is that? Did you hear that?
No.
Yeah.
Some crazy bitch just yelled.
Yo, I just pulled up my GPS.
I see those things. They followed us.
What? Where? Hey, fuck you! Get out of here! Oh, there's another one, Nick. Nick! Don't get deaded. Hey, fuck off! We don't want any.
Come here, bitch.
Oh, you want some bitch? Yeah, you chose death, pussy. You want some of this too? Yeah, that's right. Get away. Oh, you want to come closer, bitch? You want some of this? You want some of this? Look, f you. Oh, I think I saw his little wiener. Yeah, that's right. Back up.
Hey guys, we
It's our
built
spot.
Huh?
we built
What?
the house wrong.
How?
We need to put the bait. Oh wait, no, that's a wall. Wait, we need to put a base to it. We need to put a floor to it.
All right, let me.
Ah.
Okay, that's fine. That's easy. We can just put those on the ground in
I
here.
need water.
How do you make fire again?
I think you can do it like this, at least. I might be doing this all wrong. I think I am. I am. Oh, wait. Oh, that's how you do it. Okay. We're going to make this a little taller. Look at that. Look at that shit. You see that?
Yeah, yeah,
this.
yeah.
Look at this floor, boy. so we have to put. Ooh, you made something. I heard it. Oh, it's a nice stick you got there. All right.
Good job. Good job.
Hell yeah. Thanks, Dad. I mean, Ramon.
I'm trying to find a fire. Make
Oh,
a fire.
whoops, that's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted. That's what I wanted. All right, our floor is a little crooked, but that's fine.
Oh!
What the fuck? Hey! Whoa, 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 whoa! Get out of here! Nick, you got one coming towards you.
That's fine.
Oh, fucking Greg's after him.
Hell yeah.
Greg's gonna
Ah.
fuck them.
Hell yeah. Not up, just fuck him. All right, we need more wood, and I'm hungry.
That's what I'm trying to make a fire.
Well,
Here, I
hurry
got
up.
wood.
I don't know how to make fire.
All right. Whoa. Damn, girl. I don't know if that's gonna work or not.
How do I make wood? I mean, not wood, but fire.
Just put that in the ground there. Look at that. Where are you getting all this wood from? Oh, there's a more. Oh, okay. I'll help. I'll bring it over here. Hey, ow! What the fuck? I'm about to die, you asshole.
Oh no, Greg! Greg's gonna fuck us. Greg! Oh,
Oh,
never
okay.
mind.
I was about to
Easy.
say, Greg, you asshole. All right. There we go. Get that out of the way.
I don't know the fucking
That.
controllers.
All right. I need to. Why is it not letting me place this? That's not what I want.
Have you figured the fire out yet?
I haven't messed with the fire yet because I'm trying to make us.
Oh, you got a lighter somewhere. I
Trying to make
keep
us a
pulling it out.
house or a floor. Floor's crooked.
Ooh.
I got a stick. A whooping stick. Come here, Ramon. Let me show you something. Ow, fuck! I got hit by the log. Ow, you fuck! Get out of here! He hit
I'm
me with
hitting you with
someone's
a
hand.
hand.
I know it's gross. Stop! Stop! You! Ow! Okay, I'm about to die. I'm about to die. I need to figure out how to make the
Hey, Marshall, hold on.
What?
Marshall. Ready?
Ow! Fuck!
Ready? Watch this.
What?
Watch this. Stay still. Stay still.
What are you doing?
So let me do it.
Ow!
Oh, there you go.
Did you just give me a hand?
That's right.
Ba-da-da-da-da-da. Oh, okay. Sorry. All right. So I guess we're just fucked on the floor.
Sure.
There, that's fine. Hey, stop.
I'm
I
pretty
see you
sure
trying to hit me with.
I'm not trying to hit you.
Oh shit! They're
I'm
back.
giving you wood.
Fuck you!
Where are they at? Where are they at?
Oh, they're coming. I got my axe out. You want some of this,
Oh,
bitch?
shit. They can climb on trees and shit.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh fuck! See
You
him
can't
up there.
climb on trees if I cut it down.
Yeah. Did he fall, or is he up there still? He fell. Oh, there you are. Hey, hey, hey! Back up! Back up! Yeah, that's right. Uh-oh.
See, Marshall, this is how you do
You
this.
Wow, that was cool.
Thanks.
All right. So yeah, the floor is probably not going to happen. We got floor on like 2/3 of the or
Let's
flooring
fucking
on
get
two
in.
floor.
Maybe we should start over.
Maybe.
Oh, I can make a fire
Yeah.
now.
All right, I'm gonna. Ooh, what is that? Mushrooms. I'm gonna eat these.
I'm gonna make a fire right here. Ow!
Sorry.
No, don't make a floor there. That's uneven as shit. All right. Over here is pretty level. This spot over here. Let's make a house over here. It's very level. It's a little farther away, but
I'm trying to beat a fish.
all right. I'm gonna make a house over here.
I'll call fucking Greg over here.
Hey, Greg, get that fine ass over here.
I'm still hungry.
Yeah, me too. I'm gonna probably die, but
Here.
rip.
Oh,
Ow,
fuck. I'm
fuck.
sorry.
God, I'm about to die. Let me hit you with a big ass fucking log. All right, so.
Oh,
Ow,
sorry.
Ramon!
I'm trying to give you the logs.
Oh,
Give them to
butterfly.
me
A butterfly
by not
landed on my
looking at me
axe.
with them. Oops, wrong button.
Yeah.
That worked.
How do I
Alright.
Add more sticks.
I think we got to move all these rocks.
I think they move once we place stuff down.
No, they don't move.
Oh, that's fine. Here, I can.
Look at how strong I am.
Oh my god. Damn, do you fart with that ass? I carry rocks all day long. I put them there and there. We can make our floor out of rocks.
No, we can't.
Why?
Because we got to make it flat.
You're flat.
Oh, fuck. Look at what I'm doing. I'm building a wall
Yeah.
with rock.
Good. Build that wall with rock.
Build
I'm
wall,
selling
rip,
state
rock.
secrets.
Oh yeah. All right. Nick, bring me some logs.
No, I'm doing something.
What are you doing over there? You're not contributing. You're not taking this serious anymore.
I am.
Nick, I think you're out of 5 to 9.
No.
Yeah, you're not taking
So
this
I'm doing
serious.
something. I'm doing something. Trust me, I'm doing something.
Oh, this is gonna fall right on the goddamn house.
Hell yeah.
Damn, I
Kinda,
need,
hell
I
yeah.
need a stick. I need a
I gotta-
stick.
I'm picking up all the rocks.
Oh, come here, bitch. Fuck you.
Mushrooms.
Oh, it's getting dark.
Alright, I got you some more stuff.
Can
You're
I just,
welcome.
Can I just drink this water?
You didn't even say thank you.
Fuck you.
That's not nice. I brought you food.
Oh my god. Nummies. Oh, I found a. Damn.
All right. So, I think
Oh shit, there's a
what you gotta-
boat in here.
Where'd you go?
In the water? It's a boat under the water.
Is it?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, way. It's by the dead body
no
out there.
way.
All right.
No way.
How did
Yeah,
I pull
way.
that up? I pulled up this fucking book in my thing.
No. No.
Yes. Ah, fuck my dick.
What is this? What is this? What am I missing?
Everything. Hey, get Greg to get us some logs, man. What are you doing?
Stop it.
You're the Greg Whisperer.
Greg doesn't like you.
Well, too bad.
Oh shit.
He's stuck on an island with cannibals with us, so he doesn't really have much of a choice on who he doesn't like. Goddamn rocks. Whoops.
Oh, I'm using my axe to clear the brush.
Well, don't worry about it, because when you place a log down, it'll clear it automatically.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does. True story, bro.
It doesn't.
True story. Oh man, I dropped my logs. I dropped my logs right in the water. Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, a butterfly landed on my axe.
Hey, did that me too?
I thought you were gonna say it landed on my ass. Place that
How'd you do
bitch
that?
there. What?
How do you do that?
Do what?
That.
Magic. Magic. Nick, why did you put the fire over there again? What the hell is that? I'm gonna go. Oh, here's one.
Hey Marshall, look what I got now. You're gonna be jealous.
I'm not.
Watch this. Come here, come here, come here. Where you at?
Timber.
Look, 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 Marshall, Marshall, Marshall.
Why'd you shake it like that? You're like, hello.
Watch this. You got a stick? You got a stick I can have?
No, I do not. Actually, I probably do, but you're not gonna have it. Mine.
Chopping, chopping, chopping some wood.
Hey.
Chopping, chopping, chopping some wood.
Ooh.
Chopping, chopping, chopping some wood.
Chop that wood, girl.
Hey, where can I put a stake at? Inside the house.
No.
Can I
Somewhere.
put it like right here?
Probably. Well, that went right in the water. All right.
Look, decoration.
Nick, we got.
Nick, why don't you find us a
Look! I found something.
I gotta figure out how to.
Found a duck.
You're a duck.
Kill that duck. Kill a duck.
Shit's
Kill that
gone.
duck. I'm fucking this all up.
Timber!
You can help them cut trees down.
Okay. There we go. I picked this one up. Put it right here.
Yeah, put it right there.
Actually, I probably don't need to put it right there.
Timber!
There needs to be. Oh my god! God damn it! God damn it! All right. Well, hey, back to square one, I guess.
Yeah, I'm helping you.
Sour Patch Kid.
I'm helping you now. I love you.
Hey, you broke my tiki torch thing.
Oh no, your tiki torch thing. What about our fucking house?
Yeah, you fucking dumb dick.
Stop
Yeah.
being mean.
Ow! I'm gonna die.
Go get us some food.
I don't know how.
Yes,
Figure
you
it
do.
out.
Yeah, there's another person over there. I'm gonna go talk to him.
And don't
probably
talk to him.
Greg.
Ask him where Jimmy John's is or something.
Probably Greg. It's Greg. Come here, Greg. What are you doing? Hey, f***er. What the hell are you doing? Why are you clearing this shit? Stop. Stop, stop, stop. Follow me, tired.
I can't get my axe back out. Where's my axe?
Greg's got it.
All right. Get wood away from the house.
There's a bunch of wood right here.
I'm just saying, when you get wood, get it away from the house. So we don't, you know.
I'm gonna do
Whoops,
this.
that's the wrong button.
Yes, sir.
Nick, why would you do that? Why would you put that there? No, that can't go there. No, that's fine. Whatever.
I dropped the wood.
You drop wood. Ah, fuck you.
Alright,
Come on.
Hey, what about right here? Oh, wait.
All right.
That's where the logs are going to go, right?
We officially have a floor. Woo!
Where's Greg?
Greg died. He's no longer with us.
Gregory.
Nick, don't get.
What?
What are you doing?
I know how to cut trees down, alright?
No.
Hey, look. I'm going to go get the logs from the old house. Let's go get the logs from the old house.
Found
right.
Greg. I found Greg.
Oh, there he is.
Hey.
All right. Do I put this here?
Yeah, we're gonna do the walls now.
Like that? No.
Yeah, that
not
works.
like
Yeah, no, that's fine. That's fine.
You got to put them on top of each other.
Stop it. Stop it. What are you
Yeah,
doing?
like that.
Yeah.
Hey, what
Oh, I
about
guess
this part?
Yeah. Okay, never mind. Here. I thought that I didn't think that part through.
Nick, are you getting us food?
No, I've got Greg doing it. He can do it.
You can?
Yeah.
What a piece of shit.
There's a log right there.
All right, now we'll start making the. Okay. I heard that shit falling and I got
Are you
real
sure?
angry.
Are you sure this motherfucker can do it? Because he's just looking at the fucking water.
He should be fishing.
Oh, he is. He got a fish.
Oh, shit, he did. Way to go,
Take it back.
Greg.
Take it back. Take it back, Ramon. Greg, you're a valuable team member of this.
Yeah, unlike
Sure.
your freaking instructor over there.
Yeah, Nick, you dummy.
Hey, I made him I made him do that.
That's
That's not nice.
You talking 8-bit, you fucking bitch.
No.
All right. Here, I'm gonna do this real quick. Put that there. Then we'll make the door.
Hell yeah.
Here.
Thanks, Greg. I'm eat this fish. Nom nom nom.
Ew.
Nom 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 nom.
You about to Bear Grylls that shit?
Hell yeah, dude. Thanks,
Ew, that's
Greg.
gross.
That
Hey,
was another fish. Eat it. Nom 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 nom.
fuck you.
Nom nom. Oh, that hurt.
Come help with the logs.
I am.
No, you're not.
I'm cutting my own logs down.
No.
There's like a ton of them over here.
I
We
don't
gotta
know
get the
what
old
they
house down.
are.
Yeah.
We gotta get the old house down.
You don't want to get these cannibals somewhere to live? Right across the river from us or stream?
Why? They might become our
'Cause
friends.
They're dirty hobos.
How do you pick them up?
Hey,
I don't, yeah, that button.
Even if they're on
Whatever
the thing?
button- yeah, I guess. I'm using a keyboard and mouse. I have no idea.
I'm just gonna drop them by the
That
house.
works. All right. The fuck? Why can I not put these down? Hero?
Push B.
Oh, it's because these are tiny logs. That's why. I didn't realize they were tiny logs.
That log had a child.
Help with the house.
Damn.
I'm putting the house together.
Hey, I'm not hungry no more. I'm just thirsty.
Oh, bye, Greg. He's running away. Because you ate raw fish.
That's good.
Don't hit it. What are you doing?
I'm trying to make it crumble.
No, don't do that.
Yeah, look.
Gosh.
You fucking tard.
Hey, shut up.
What's he doing?
Being dumb. Oh, got a bird.
No, it worked.
Being smart, dumb.
You're being dumb.
I'm the only one getting the big logs.
No, I'm
Hey,
getting
what do
big
you mean?
logs.
Literally running over there too.
Well, I'm gonna keep knocking them down.
Those little baby logs. I should have to carry more.
You're making them
Yeah.
into little baby logs.
No,
do that.
it's
Don't
making
put
them big logs.
Don't do no baby logs. I don't want no baby logs. I want a big log. I want a big old log. Ugh. Get it? Cause gay stuff? No? Okay.
The fuck
I'll
are you
fuck
doing?
myself.
Why aren't you fishing? Huh? Here, how about get us
Cause I'm
wood?
building a house. Well, I think we should wrap this episode up. Just building a house.
Okay.
building a house.
Build that house. Maybe when we come back, we'll have the house done.
Maybe.
Or maybe we'll just build it all on camera or whatever.
Nah, I don't want to see all that shit.
You think we could do 2 stories?
Probably. Oh my god, a butterfly landed on my axe.
Nah, you're
It's
gay.
magical. It's a magical moment. He's just on here. If I jump, does he stay on there? Oh, he's gone. Oh no, butterfly, come back. Yeah. Come here. Go land. Land on it. Land on it. Land on it. Ah, you bitch. All right, well, I think that's it.
Greg!
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 Greg, we're doing the sign off. Come here.
Oh no, my
Greg?
log!
Ew.
Well, Greg's just in his own world right now.
Yeah, he's providing for us.
He's not really.
Oh, you sled.
Oh,
I don't even know how to throw it.
I thought it was Nick.
All right. Ah!
Bye,
right.
buddy!
Hi, everybody.
Bye.